Every life leaves a mark on the world. Some pass quietly, while others create ripples that last far beyond what we can see. Everito Lopez Villacruz, also known as Pamite Homesick, was one of those people. To many, he was more than a name. He was a friend, a family member, and a presence that brought warmth wherever he went. Today, we don't just remember him. We celebrate a life filled with kindness, sincerity, and meaningful moments. Through photos and stories, we relive the laughter, the friendships, and the memories that truly mattered. Because a true legacy is not measured by achievements, but by the lives we touch. And though he may no longer be with us, his impact lives on. In every memory, every story, and every heart he reached.
Siya yung taong pag may lalapit sa kanya, talagang never siyang mag-say no. Sabi niya, nakapalan ko ng paraan. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng paraan, basta pinapakasan meron siyang masagot. Yung ganun ka si Kuya.
May problema, ano siya, he reaches out. Minsan naman ang may matanong siya, and I appreciate that. I appreciate that very much. So yun po, pagkakatanda ko ever. And I know that he was recently in Manila. Nabanggit niya sa akin, wala po itong ano kanina, wala po itong sketches din. And nabiro ko nga, sabi ko, sige, pag anong pick na ko, yung mga ginawa mo, dito po. So it was that was very recent. So it was, napito ka siya, find out. Yumaw na siya. Especially at such a very young age. So I'm really at a loss for words. He's a very valuable member of our community, and he has, shall we say, he's a model, an example of what ang Pilipino OFW can aspire. So with that, sabi natin, rest in the peace and mercy of our Creator. Well, I'm sure you will be. May God bless us all. Thank you. Para kay Rachel, mga kaibigan niya, kasama sa trabaho, sa community natin God lost, a very beloved member, valuable member of the community. I give you my most sincere condolences. Because isa siya sa mga hindi nagsayang sa telephone number ko. Pinamimigay ko telephone number ko eh. Pero wala naman po nakasabi natin. Nakikita mo yung creativity. And even itong ngayon naggumawa siya. Unfortunately, di ba nakabili ng sketch sa kanya. Itong latest series na Urban Sketches, talagang napaka-impressive. Truly impressed. And I found Evan, apart from that, there was some one-time work-related regarding McDonald's. May ibang beses naman
OUTRO. Thank you for taking this moment to remember and celebrate the life of Everito Lopez Villacruz. If his story touched your heart, we invite you to share your memories, thoughts, or messages in the comments below. Every message keeps his memory alive. Don't forget to like and share this video so his story can continue to reach others. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to support more stories that honor life, memory, and connection. Until next time, let us carry kindness forward, just as he did.